Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you are liking the Pinterest marketing course and enjoying it. I also uploaded a Canva course, a Canva playlist course in my channel. So keep visiting these channels for more. And In today's video, I will teach you how you can create a viral pin for Canva. Viral pin for Pinterest in Canva and so you can get more traffic on it. So I also cover this topic in my Canva playlist course, so you can also search this there. So here I write Pinterest pin. This also show me Pinterest pin template here, so I click on this and it will appear in the new window and it is loading. So wait for a second, it is depend on internet speed. So guys, it is loaded. So I research a quote, the quote is work hard for success. So first of all, I click this and change the background of the page like black, and here I write a text which is work hard so first of all I would like to change the font. Let's see which font is good. So the fonts are loading. And I click on Telegraph Medium. This is my favorite font and it is applying on it. So just wait for some seconds. It is applied, and after that I click on this color and change the color. Work hard for success. And I click on elements, and here click on line. So basically I need a line. So I click on this, and now I rotate. So it look good. So that's it for the code part. But our our Pinterest pin is an ambassador, just like ambassador of our website or Pinterest account. So we also mention our account name. So I again go into a text, add a subheading, and here I write at the rate of quotes journey, and place it here and change the color, and that's it. So our pin is ready, and I think I place this here, and you can also write the board name. So my board name is inspirational quotes. So that's it. uh, Now we just have to download, click on the download button, and guys, must you must download the Pinterest pin in JPG format. If you download this in PNG format, then it is not like showing in the Pinterest pin. So the correct format for Pinterest pin is JPG. So guys, the net is slow, that's why it is not loading. So just download the pin, and in the next video I will show you how we can fully optimize the pin and post the pin with full optimization. So till then, keep learning, and goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.